Okay, we're going to turn the induction furnace on, and you're going to see everything to that point works correctly. Okay, but when we hit this button right here to start it, it starts there, and it does not get any higher than a little over 600 degrees Celsius. So that all appears to be working fine, and really don't know what the problem is. So we'll let it heat up, and as you can see, the counter's working just fine, and we'll just let it sit there. And so and then we will turn it off in a little bit, because it should be getting quite a bit hotter than that. So it's about 800 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and that's all the hotter it's getting. So it should hit there it goes into the other cycle. We'll let it go through this one time, and you can see there. So, and then I'll switch it over to the what we're seeing. So now I'll show you what comes up in the out of the cooling tower. This is the bus bar system, and that actually heats up. You can see where the water is flowing through it, and so everything, everything appears to be working just fine. So we're going to look at the other system part of this that goes into the, one part of this goes into the top part of the bus bars here. As you can see, this goes into here, and then it comes out the bottom. And then this one goes into this tower right here and comes out here. This goes into right around whatever's sitting inside these coils inside the bus bar to heat that up. So, and then it comes out the other side. So, okay. Well, I hope you can see this. This is what's coming out, and I believe the copper bars are falling apart. But that's the sediment that's coming out. It's from the induction furnace. And I don't know what the reason for that is. Maybe you guys have a clue. All right, bye. And that red goo is what's coming out when it's, and I don't know what that is. So, and that's a lot of whatever that's coming through that's preventing the induction furnace to work. So, anyway, that's it.